Hi guys, I'm Kevin Evangelista. Welcome to my channel, and yeah, it's another unboxing of another laptop. These things are kind of stacking up on me. I recently took a 2-week break from posting content. It kind of affected a few reviews and a few unboxings and a few performance tests, but you know, I'm back now, so I have to keep shooting these. Anyways, we've got a special one today. I've been asking ASUS when can I test drive this laptop because it technically released last year. I was still with Brent Pro TV when this released, but it's just one of those laptops that I can't let go. It's just so innovative, it's so breathtaking, it's just something new and I needed to try it. There's been a lot of content already made about this laptop and I'm just catching up. Yeah, let's get to unboxing it. But before we continue with the video, let's keep the lights on here in the studio. This video is brought to you by SNK ATK Design Lab. They're a clothing company that specializes in technical fashion, more commonly known as techwear, and you can see me in their clothes in most of my videos. I've been supporting their brand ever since I met them back in 2019, and now they're returning the favor. Head on over to this link, you can find it in the description as well, to get 10% off your order from their site. Check their clothes out, you're bound to see something badass over there that'll look great on you. Thank you very much to SNK ATK for this exclusive promo for my viewers. Now, back to the video. Maybe let's tackle this first before I get to move on to the actual laptop. This is just a carry case. It's kind of like spacious on the inside because, you know, it's kind of like a thick boy, this laptop. Does this open like standing up? Oh, it does! Okay. Let me do that again. This is what happens when you open up the box. The front and the back kind of like let go and you can pick up the laptop like this. Ta-da! But we're going to be doing this later. So let's see first what's inside the box. It is an unboxing after all. So first we get this. This is the keyboard. It might be funny seeing, why does it come with the keyboard detached? Well, I mean, if you've seen any content made about this laptop, you would understand why. Well, let's see what else is in the box. I think this is all of the boxes inside the box. Power brick. This is a USB-C PD 65-watt charger. It is very small. This is probably a gallium nitride charger. You have a dongle, the USB-C to USB-A dongle, manual and warranty card, and we have this. It's kind of like an origami thing. The Zephyrus Duo also has one of these things. These things take a bit of time to figure out how to use, so I'm probably gonna save this for the full review. ASUS has been like pretty funky with the origami recently. Put all of this back together so I can put away the box and we can take a look at the laptop itself. So yeah, accessory roundup. You get a dongle, you get a keyboard, and you get a 65-watt USB-C PD charger. But we're not here to look at any of those. We're here to look at this amazing thing, this crazy thing that ASUS made. Look at that. You can actually see the reflections of my lights. Yeah, it is a big screen. It is a big folding OLED screen. I mean, folding screens have to be OLED. This is the ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold and it looks fantastic. Before I do the foldy thing, let's go on a tour of the hardware first. I don't want to touch the screen yet because, you know, it's gonna get like handprints on it. It has this kind of like holographic finish on one of the sides. With the ASUS logo. There is some leather here. I don't know if it is actual leather or faux leather, but it is a bit crunchy. It might be faux leather. I hope it's faux leather. Anyway, there is another, if you would see here, there's a dividing line. So this is another like faux leather part, and it's actually a kickstand. It's actually a kickstand, so if you're using it in like full spread mode like this, you can actually prop it up on the desk. Yeah, and we just have like a regular back panel here at the side with some feet, so you can like put it on a desk or something when it's half folded. Here at the front, it's just one huge screen with the sides are kind of like rubbery. It's a grippy, like rubbery texture. A similar feeling would have to be, you know, the ends of like shuttlecocks in badminton. That kind of like feels the same, like the rubbery end of badminton shuttlecocks. The camera here at one side, it's not at the top, at the middle, because, you know, there has to be a hinge there. It is a folding screen, so, you know, there's a crease down the middle, and you can definitely feel the crease. But it's okay. It's not super bad like those Gen 1 folding screens from Samsung. Those were bad creases. This is a relatively larger screen. Like, you wouldn't expect it to have like the granularity of like a small crease on a folding phone. So it is a bigger hinge mechanism. This is the top side. When unfolded, you can see the top from here. This is a Thunderbolt 4 port, a 3.5mm audio jack, a battery charging indicator, and a power button. There are also some vents here, exhaust vents, I think. Then on the side, we can see a volume up and a volume down button, speaker grills, which run the majority of the side. I like to see that. I wish this has good sound quality, and a Thunderbolt 4 port here at the bottom side. So far we have 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. There's another speaker grill here, some feet. So if you want to stand the monitor, or if you want to stand the laptop by its side, you can. You just have to find the side that has the feet. Then here at the other side, we have another like super long speaker grill. All right. Pretty simple. I mean, it is a very thin device, as you can see. Yeah, it is very thin. So yeah, time to demonstrate why I've been like super stoked and super annoying to ASUS to let me try this out. This laptop folds. Look at that, the screen folds. Yeah. This is how small it is when it's folded, and this is how big it is when it's unfolded. Look at that, it's massive. When folded up, it's like a big book. It's like a 12-inch, 13-inch book that's like super thick. That's like yay thick. Then when you unfold it, it's a 17, almost 18-inch screen. All screen like monster. Super happy with it. Time to turn it on. Not gonna lie to you guys, I already like set it up because ASUS sent it over freshly formatted, so I had to set it up just to save time here in the unboxing. But yeah, the short time that I was setting it up with my account, with my Microsoft account, it was a super crazy experience. So yeah, look at that. It's 3:07 a.m. I am shooting this in the wee hours of the morning. Yeah, look at the screen. Look at how big of the screen, and it's a touch screen. Look at that. Sorry, it's looking for me. Okay, look at that. I don't know how well OBS is gonna capture what I'm going to be doing or what I'm going to be showing you guys here in this video, but yeah, let's move forward with it. I'll just figure that out in post. Anyways, this is the screen of the Zenbook Fold OLED. It's such a beautiful screen. I mean, it's an OLED screen, so it means every pixel is illuminated and has its own color value. So if something is black, it's just gonna turn off the pixel. It's not like one of those LCD like backlit screens where there's a color layer, then there's a backlight layer, and if the screen has to display black, it's kind of just like gray because there's still backlight on it. This one is an OLED screen. Every pixel is self-illuminating, so if it's going to have to display black, it's just gonna turn off the pixel. So yeah, just to demonstrate the things that you can do with the Zenbook 17 Fold, first off, of course, you can use it like a tablet. This is like a tablet mode. Then apparently this is continuity mode. I don't know, you can probably like set it up. I mean, look at this. It's just super crazy to see. It's a bent laptop. Like, look at YouTube. It's just like one long web page. Look how crazy this is. Look at that. And yeah, from here, from this mode, this is where you can actually use the Bluetooth keyboard and connect it to the laptop like so. And if you connect it to the laptop like so, it's going to function very similarly to a 12-inch like compact netbook. So if you use it like this, sure, it has a trackpad, it has the usual like Bluetooth functionalities. You can also remove the keyboard and still use it like a normal keyboard. So yeah, you can still use the Bluetooth keyboard like normal, wirelessly. I mean, whenever you magnetically connect it to the lower half of the screen, lower half meaning the one without the webcam, it just turns off the screen right under it because it's an OLED, and you can just use it like a regular touchscreen like 12-inch laptop. It's pretty cool. And you can use it like this in like book mode. You can have two windows side by side being bisected by that center hinge. And if you're using it like this, if you flip it to like a table mode, I don't know, the continuity mode, it's going to like intuitively move one window to the top and one window to the bottom. It's like super cool. This is like crazy level of innovation from ASUS. But yeah, we're going to continue with our regular laptop test, and that will have to be the webcam. This is kind of weird. I usually do these webcam tests in like a fixed manner because they're fixed to the top of the screen of the laptop. But this one I kind of have to hold up because if I set it down like this, it's just going to be looking up. But yeah, this is a super detailed webcam. This is a 5 megapixel 1080p webcam, and it supports Windows Hello facial recognition. It is somewhat a bit too detailed for me because, as you can see, I have bad skin and I have rosacea. I don't have like pink spots just randomly on my face. I have rosacea. But yeah, this is like a solid like 8/10, 9/10 webcam. The only thing like missing from it is probably just like bump it up to 4K. If you're going to be like super extra with your laptop, with your weird folding laptop ASUS, just go the extra mile. Give it a 4K webcam, or give it a camera here at the backside, like a phone would. With the second version of this, put like a rear camera, rear 4K camera or an 8K camera, and it would be like super bonkers. I mean, if you're going to be extra with a 17-inch folding screen, that's the webcam. So the mics sound like this. I hope it sounds good because these are beamforming mics, and ASUS kind of like features that it has like 4 mics around the body of the laptop, so you're gonna have clear sound wherever you are. So yeah, sure. Any comments from me about the quality of the mic is going to be featured in the full review. So just wait for that. Next up is the speaker test. Speakers are really good. They're really loud too. Yeah, they're really good speakers. What more can I say? They have bass. They're kind of like overwhelmingly loud. So yeah, I'm not gonna be conducting like a Battlefield 2042 test on this because it's not gonna be able to run Battlefield 2042. But yeah, for the final part of our first impressions, let's check out the specs. So yeah, what we're seeing here is system model Zenbook UX9702AA. The processor is a 12th gen Intel Core i7-1250U. So it has 12 CPUs running at 1.1 GHz. It's not very powerful. I mean, it still is an i7 and it has many cores. It is a 12th gen product, like I said before. This came out late last year, I think November last year. 1.1 GHz is not so okay. It is fairly underpowered, but I think this turbo's up to 3 point something gigahertz. And it has 16 gigs of RAM. And for the display, it has Intel Iris Xe graphics with 8 gigs of video memory. So it's just an Intel Iris Xe. It's fine. You can do work on this. So yeah. ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold. For now, I am going to enjoy like flexing this literally and metaphorically out in public, because how many people in your everyday life do you see has a laptop that can do this? Yeah. Also, one last question that you might have that I'm going to answer now. Can you close it with the keyboard on? Yes, you can close it with the keyboard on like this. The magnets are pretty strong on this thing. That is my main like comment. But yeah, if you have any questions about this, leave them down in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe. Also, thank you very much to SNK ATK for presenting this video. Please head on over to the link down in the comments if you want to order any badass clothes from their website and get 10% off on your cart. I'm not going to be doing much gaming on this. I am going to be enjoying it in bed though, like watching videos on it right before I go to sleep, like a huge folding tablet. So yeah, that's it. I'm Kevin Evangelista. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.